14 Kelleran Street is just shy of 3,000 square feet on a third of an acre. That's human services behind you, like no neighbor after 5 o'clock or weekends. Same thing on the south side. This is your neighbor to the south. Less houses per block. Like no neighbor, you're in town, but you don't feel like you are, because of all the space and elbow room. You don't have to use a third floor, but it's there with 5 rooms. Quiet street, short walk to the downtown. There's heat pumps. Upgrade to 200 amp electric. This is a solid oldie goldie, 1910 and steadily improved. But check out all the space, inside and out. New pellet stove stays, 2 heat pumps. You've got vinyl siding, metal roofing, double deck. See the garage storage area? Upper and lower deck and a glass door into the kitchen. Are you looking for space inside and outside your home? This one has it in spades. See the liner in the chimney? That hot water boiler's not old either. Very deep basement. A wraparound open porch. You don't see those in a new ranch-style home. And a canopy over your entry to the porch. Inside 14 Kelleran Street, there's your glass door. It's on the east side. Lots of morning sun. There's an island in your kitchen. All the appliances stay and work. Updated kitchen. Those aren't cheap to put in. You could place a bistro-type table in the corner, use the island, or there is a formal dining room. Newly painted. That's a new pellet stove too. Came from a rustic milling. See the pocket doors? Your old homes have the features. Like a bay window wall. Patterned hardwood floors, and the trim. Did I hear someone in the audience needs a first floor bedroom? This front parlor is that. See the original woodwork? More pocket doors. So yes, you can have a first floor bedroom. See the curved walls? What's the other side of these pocket doors? The other side of this wall, where there's room for a piano in front of the fireplace, is an entry foyer or a home office. Beautiful beveled glass front door. You have more than one stairway too. When there's 3,000 square feet, you have lots of ways to access it. Come take the tour of 14 Kelleran Street. This is just kind of a precursor to, what do you think? Is it worth making the trip? I sure think it is for the price and location and all the upgrades. Here's your laundry room. Not the size of a closet. It's a room. And there's hookups in the basement. This could be another use, like a home office. Or another first floor bedroom. What's your need? What are your dynamics for bedrooms? Off that laundry room, or whatever you use it for, is one of the 2 bathrooms. Full bath on the first floor, full bath double shower on the second. So there's like 6 areas in a full bath on the first floor. You've got 5 rooms. You could have an apartment up in the attic, or it's just storage. Let's go upstairs on the second floor, see another bathroom in the bedrooms, the balcony porch. Maple, hardwood flooring downstairs. Upstairs, Georgia pine, yellow pine, hard pine. Newer windows, the insulated tilt-in kind. You have a closet with the old original trim. Years ago, it was a boarding home. There's definitely a need for it. It could be again. Here's the bathroom for the second floor. Big vanity space, double shower, ideal for handicap access. So first bedroom, second floor, sandwiched with a bathroom between it. Here's your other weight room or another second bedroom. We all need to be on that treadmill, getting more exercise. I get quite a bit on these run and gun videos. Just can't get them online. Keep them on the market long enough. So 2 bedrooms and a bath. There's the stairway down to the first floor. These are the other 2 bedrooms upstairs on the second floor. This one, a holding pen, staging area for the move. Gotta have one of those. Here's the front bedroom. It connects, so it's a suite. Dressing area, you could have a nursery in one of them. This would be the front bedroom on the second level. See the heat pump? That wasn't cheap. You can put about 30 grand by the time you update to 200 amp wiring and put your heat pumps in, but boy, they pay for themselves, especially with Holton Water Company as the power provider. You do have oil hot water. You've got your pellet stove that's new. You've got the heat pumps. So you've got a bunch of ways to play the energy market. Smart. This is the balcony bedroom on the second level. I love the angles, the round, original architecture. There's another office or extra bedroom with its own separate staircase. They use it for a home office. You can telecommute because you have amazing internet. Close to 3,000 square feet. 5 more rooms in your attic if you use it for more than an attic storage area. What do you think? Make comments down below. Would you make this into an apartment? 5 rooms for phase 2. Till you figure out what you're going to do with the space, but you don't have to heat it.